Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. We're starting in a comfortable seated position. Bring your chin towards your right shoulder. And we're just going to place our right hand on top of our head, gently pulling it forward. And you want to take some deep breaths here. And now let's drop our head forward, bringing the chin towards the chest. And if you want a little extra weight, you can clasp your hands behind your head and gently pull down on your head. Lower your hands, and now we bring our chin to our left shoulder, placing our left hand on top of the head and gently pulling it forward. Again, bring your chin back towards your chest. And now drop your head back, chin to ceiling. And we come back to center, this time lowering our right ear to our right shoulder, placing our right hand on our head and extending our left arm out to the side. Lower your hand as you drop your head back, chin to ceiling. And now left ear to left shoulder, placing your left hand on the head, extending your right arm out to the side. Drop your head forward. And we lift our head, leaning our torso to the right. And now leaning forward, make sure your hips are grounded. Lean to the left and back. And you really want to round your spine. And to the right again. And now let's go to the back. And to the left. And we lean forward. And to the right. Let's come onto our hands and knees in our tabletop position. Arch your back, coming into your cow pose. And now take a really big body circle all the way to the right, really taking your time here. And now take a really big body circle to the left this time. Walk your hands forward a little bit, curling the toes under. You send your hips up, coming into your downward facing dog. I want you to shake your head from right to left, just looking to the right arm and the left arm. And now shake your head yes and no, up and down. Slowly walk your feet up towards your hands. Open your legs for ragdoll pose. And let's just sway from side to side with the hips. So just moving the hips from side to side, releasing any tension in your spine, in your back, in your shoulders. And let's clasp our hands behind our head again, just like we did before. And just allow the elbows to kind of pull the body down a little bit more. And now we make our way onto our bellies, coming into our Sphinx pose. The forearms are parallel, the shoulders are right on top of the elbows, and you want to relax your legs. Bring your left ear to your left shoulder. And now you look over that left shoulder, maybe looking at that left foot. Let's bring our right ear to our right shoulder. And now we look over that right shoulder. Come back to center as you slowly start to straighten your arms. And if you want to go a little bit deeper, you can walk your hands closer towards your hips, maybe dropping your head back. Let's make our way into our child's pose with the legs close together if that feels comfortable to you. And we clasp our hands behind our head. Extend your arms forward as you walk your hands over to the right side of your mat, maybe placing your left hand on top of the right. And now let's go to the left, walking the hands over. Rest your arms at your sides. And let's take a deep breath, breathing in through our nose and let it out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.